Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus third chapter pair of linear equation in two variables. So already 4 exercises are completed. This is the fifth exercise. In that fourth subdivision, third sum. Form of a pair of linear equations and find their solutions. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each correct answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash should have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? So this is the question. For the correct answer, 2 different marks are awarded, and the same way for the wrong answer also they are going to deduct that particular thing. So we will take the correct answer. Let the number of correct answer be x and the number of wrong answer be y. Let the correct answer be x and wrong answer be y. Wrong answer be y. Okay. So first condition given is he scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each correct answer. So since we have taken correct answer as x, so 3 marks for correct answer is 3x. Okay. And losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. So 1 mark for, he is losing 1 mark for incorrect answer. In this way, he is getting 40 marks. So this is the first condition. Then second condition is, had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer. So it is 4x. So correct answer is x. 4 marks is awarded for each correct answer. So 4x and 2 marks being deducted. So minus 2y. 2 marks being deducted. So minus 2y. Then Yash should have scored 50 marks. Then he would have scored 50 marks. So we got 2 equations with 2 variables. If we solve this, we will find the number of questions. Okay. So x and y we will find first. So in this one, we will use cross multiplication method. Okay. So x, y and then minus 1. Okay. So 3. So we will start with, we will leave this x, we will start with y. So minus 1, minus 2 we will start. Then the next one is 40 and 50. Next one is 40 and 50. Then 3, 4. Then 3, 4. Then the last one is minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. Okay. So this one we will cross multiply. So if we cross multiply like this we will do cross multiplication. So we will get x by minus 1 into 50 is minus 50 minus 40 into 2 is 80 minus 80. Okay. Is equal to y by 40 into 4 is 160. 4 4s are 16. So 160 minus 50 into 3 is 150 is equal to minus 1 by 3 2s are 6 minus 6 minus 4 1s are 4 minus 4. So first we will simplify this. So x by minus 50 plus 80 is equal to y by 10 is equal to minus 1 by minus 6 plus 4. So x by 30 is equal to y by 10 is equal to minus 1 by minus 2. So minus will get cancelled, we will get 1 by 2. So when we equate this x and the constant, so x by 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So we will get x value as 30 by 2. When we cross multiply this, we will get this as 2x. This 30 when we are cross multiplying here, it will be 30 by 2. So x value will get 15. Then y is y by 10 is equal to 1 by 2. So that means y is equal to 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. Okay, so x value we are getting it as 15 and y value we are getting it as 5. So we are asked to find how many questions were there in the test. So if we add this 15 and 5, so the total number of questions is 20. Okay, so how many questions were there? So total number of questions is x plus y. X plus y. So that is 15 plus 5, that is equal to 20. So total number of questions is 20. Okay. Next sum is places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the car travels in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? Okay, so we will take, let the speed of one car be x, the other car be y we will take. Why? Because it is given like that only. At two different car travels in the one car starts from A and another car from B at the same time. If the car travels in the same direction at different speeds. Okay, so the first condition is the car travels in the same direction. That is, when you take A and B, two places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. So if you take A and B as two places, the distance between the two places is 100 km. The distance between the two places is 100 km. One car starts from A. So one car starts from A and another car from B and another car from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction. So when it is going this side, the other car also starts in this time and it is moving in this direction. So this is same direction. If the car travels in the same direction at different speed. Suppose if we are taking the speed of this car is x and this car be y and two different speeds. So we have taken as x and y. Okay, they meet in 5 hours. So the time taken is 5 hours. We know the formula that speed is equal to distance by time. We know that speed is equal to distance by time taken. This one we know. Okay, so here distance is given as 100 km. So we will take that distance as 100 km. Speed is x and y. Two different things is given. Time taken is, for the first one it is given 5 hours. So 100 by 5 we will get. This one is two different, that is two different cars. They are moving in the same direction. So they will meet at some point. So the speed will be, one we have taken it as x, the other one as y. So we will get the speed as x minus y. Okay, so we will get this speed as x minus y. So the first condition for the given statement, we will get the condition, we will get the equation like this. That is, since they are traveling in the same direction, x minus y we will get is equal to 100 by 5. 100 is the distance and 5 is the time taken. So this is the first equation. So x minus y is equal to 100 by 5. So we will get this as x minus y is equal to 100 by 5 is 20. So this is the first equation. X minus 5 is equal to 20. So the same thing, same condition is same A and B, two different places. The distance is given as 100 km. There is no change in that distance. That is 100 km. There is no change in that. If they travel towards each other. So one car starts from here, this position. The other car starts from here. They travel towards each other. So both are traveling towards each other. That is, they are traveling towards each other. That is, on the opposite sides they are traveling. Okay, they meet in 1 hour. So the same thing if we take, speed is equal to distance by time. There is no change in the distance. Distance is given as 100 kilometers. So there is no change in the distance. Okay, by time taken. Here the time they are meeting at 1 hour. So the time taken is 1 hour. 100 by 1. Speed is, since they are traveling towards each other in the opposite direction, we will get that speed as x plus 1. So x plus y is equal to 100. So this is the second equation. X plus y is equal to 100. This is the second equation. So when we solve these two equations, we will get the value of, that is the speed of two cars. So x minus y is equal to 20 and x plus y is equal to 100. So we will use elimination method. So plus y minus y will get cancelled. So 2x is equal to 120. So x is equal to 60. 120 by 2, that is x is equal to 60. So if x is equal to 60, we will take the first equation, x minus y is equal to 20. So x is 60 here. So 60 minus y is equal to 20. So minus y is equal to 20 minus 40. So minus y is equal to minus 20. Minus 20 minus 60 here. 20 minus 60. So 20 minus 60 here, that is plus 60. When it is going to that side, it will be minus 60. So 20 minus 60 is minus 40. So minus will get cancelled. So y is equal to 40. So we are asked to find the speed of the cars. We have taken the speed of the one car as x kilometer per hour. The next one is y kilometer per hour. So the speed of two cars. Speed of two cars are 60 kilometer per hour and 40 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Okay. With this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment.